Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm going to show you how to paint simple, nice, beautiful rose. The rose from my garden, they are not perfect. People when they paint roses, they get so nervous because they feel like it has to be perfect. We're going to have our color chart. I'm going to put it up. So for myself, you should always have your color chart with you, so always you can learn, you can see, you can know how to mix them together. So now first what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a little bit linseed oil. This is a nylon brush it is, and it's very, very soft. This is what you need for soft roses, soft flowers, to blend them together. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just putting a little bit linseed oil on it with a little turpentine. Now I'm gonna just put a little bit leaves, a little bit green actually. I'm mixing with a little bit burnt sienna and green, phthalo green. So just put a little bit green. I'm just gonna make a little white rose with maybe later on with a little leaves. So this is just make it like a background. Okay, just put it like this, and then we can mix it a little bit with brown. It gives it nice color. Just like don't be afraid, because when you put the leaves later on, you know, when you watch the trees, the flower, the roses, there is like brown, green, it's mixed. Now I'm gonna put yellow rose with pink in it. So first I'm gonna put, because now I have a linseed oil under, I'm just gonna put just a little bit color. It's okay if it's mixed with the leaves color. Just be free. Here the rose, like when you paint, you can paint this up like this, showing up. You can paint this way going. What I mean, like this way, I can paint it up. If I put this way, I can paint it that way. Either way you want it, you can put it. Put the lizard crimson. When you make the body, which they call the belly, the tummy, or whatever, press and just make it like a lips. The top of the lips, go like this and go like that, and then let it go. Just like this. It's like a mustache. Little bit you can start to just take it, because you have the linseed in the back, the oil. What it does, it will blend it very nice. And don't take all the bottom dark part. Keep the dark part under, so this will be the deep part, that when you look at the rose, middle part is always darker. That doesn't matter, it's the rose, any flower. When you look at them, in deep it's darker. Just kind of spread it like this. Okay. And even here, you spread it. Just do like this way, take the brush, then gently just rub it. See, gently, when you rub it, it blends very nice. But don't let it become lines like this. Go this way, and very gentle, like a whisper. And then you can just touch a little bit here and there with the red. It's okay. And around here too, you can just make a little bit. But when you put the petals already, it's gonna blend together. But if you want, you can just give a little softness. But otherwise, blend together, it will be nice. Few places a little bit darker, it's okay. Because when you put the yellow color, it's gonna blend nicely together. When you have any harsh place, this is like a blending brush. Gently you soften it. Okay, we're gonna take the yellow, and every time that you start to put the rose, because it has a little curve, just like this, when you're putting it, it curves. And you just put your brush down, go around and bring it like this. And then you turn it little bit like this. So it kind of, the petal curves. Like here you see them, they are round. They are like a little hearts over here. They go round. Do not worry that you did thicker and thinner. What we do, we just take the pedal and like I said, you turn it, go like this. Let's make it thicker. You can go left and right. See over here I can put this way. Now I will bring it this way again. What it is, just make sure, like I said, the brush is soft and dry. So you just put you don't have to stick it together. You can just be free and paint it. Over here, we have to just kind of bring it down and try to blend it together. You see how it's turning? See, you can put pedals like this. Make sure that when you put the pedal, you just make it sharp and then goes up and then just pull it. So it will do very nice job. You don't have to be afraid, just bring them together. All right? There we go. You can add a little bit, make a, how they call, sharp lines like this from outside. It's fine. The rose is not perfect, like I said. You can add more petals like this. All right, we're gonna put a little bit now white color on it, like a little highlights. Very gently, just touch it. Very gentle, because it's, like I said, this brush, it's a good brush. Very fine brush. So just like whisper it. And you know what? Do not be afraid that when you do it, you can press a little bit, because when you press, when you put new color, when you're pressing, the color is going forward, the ends. Like you push it like this and you pull it. You push it, you pull it. So just tap it here and there. Don't be afraid. The rose, it will be beautiful. And if you see over here, like, like I said, too much red and all together, just take the brush and blend it very gently. Already, you see how it became nice, beautiful flower. You can even put maybe a little bit closer too. There you go. Over here, the roses, it shows a little bit seeds in it. You can just put a little bit colors. Just make it darker a little bit. There you go. Yellow ochre with the green. And go up, or you can do just like this, or go put together and make a little line in the middle. You can do just one line like this. The rose, of course, it has a branch, and it has, the leaves go sideways. You can put any place. So don't be afraid, just practice and you will do very, very good job. You can put little brown in it. Here for you. See, when you paint the rose, the leaves, you can do any way you want it. And you will do very, very good job. So, let's make a little, the rose like this. I don't think I put here linseed oil, but we will pretend we did. So what you do is you just press it and push it, press it and push it, press it and push it. It's so simple. Like I said, if you want to make it bigger, just go like this, just rub in it, put a little yellow, put a little bit green. But I will advise you that do not forget, and then you make a line in the middle. You can put lines. Either way you want, you can do. And it will become really beautiful flower. Just don't be afraid, push it, press it, whatever you want to do it. So, this is a beautiful rose it is, at least for me. And I hope that you learn something from this or it will be help for you. I want to thank you very much for watching. If you like my painting, please subscribe my channel. And I want to say on my other videos, I'm showing you how to use your linseed oil and what kind of brushes you can use. Hopefully it will help for you. I thank you again. Bye-bye.